Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kodisa. I'm your host Utpal, and today we'll be looking at lead code 33, which is search in a rotated sorted array. Okay, so let us first go through the problem statement. Fine. So there is an integer array nums sorted in ascending order with distinct values. So there are no repetition. It is sorted in ascending order, and prior to being passed to your function, nums is possibly rotated. Okay. So rotated means either it will be rotated in a clockwise manner or anti-clockwise manner, right? So at an unknown pivot index k, okay, such that the resulting array is nums of k plus 1, so it may be rotated in any fashion, okay? Might be rotated at pivot index 3 and become 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, okay? So it says that given the array nums after the possible rotation, an integer target return the index of the target if it is in nums or -1 if it is not in nums. Okay. So this statement alone is enough to solve this problem. Okay. So you must write an algorithm with O of log n runtime complexity. Fine. So if you look at the test cases, you can see so target 0 is it is in nums, so we return its position like that is 4 for index that is 4. Similarly, target 3 is not in nums, so we return -1. Fine. Okay, so let us go to coding. We'll try to solve it in a single line. Let us see. So return -1 if target not in nums. If target is not in nums, we return -1. Else we return the index of the target in nums. So nums dot index of target. Yeah. If it is present, we return its index. Let us run this code. Great. It is working as expected. Let me submit it. I hope it gets accepted. Great. It got accepted. I think it is clear to everyone. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And it will motivate me to upload more videos. Thank you. We'll meet again next time.